Our today's topic is constitution of matter. Means arrangement of molecules in all the three states of matter. Now first of all, beta, what is the meaning of molecules? Matter, they are made up of tiny particles and these particles are called matter. छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स से बने होते हैं और इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मैटर बोलते हैं, सॉरी मॉलिक्यूल्स बोलते हैं. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इन सॉलिड्स, लिक्विड्स एंड गैसेस बाय सम activities. See here, I have pasted some bindis in this A4 sheet, and these bindis, they represent the molecules. See this pattern, in this pattern, and in this pattern. Now first of all, we will discuss about this pattern. Here just now I told you that molecules, bindis represent the molecules. See, there is no space between the molecules. All the molecules are closely packed. In the same way, in solids, molecules are closely packed. There is no space between the molecules of solids. In liquids, see here in this pattern, there is some space between the molecules. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed. Packed तो होते हैं, but they are loosely packed. There is some space between the molecules. And in this way, this represents the arrangement of gas. In gas, molecules, they are very far apart from each other. They are very loosely packed. दूर दूर होते हैं molecules. कोई कहीं होता है, कोई कहीं होता है molecule. So there is lot of space between the molecules in gases. On the basis of this arrangement, we can define the various properties of solids, liquids and gases. See, this is the book and the shape of this book is like this. Here there are many solids. Its shape is like this. We can't change the shape of the solid. हम इसकी shape change नहीं कर सकते ना. तो why we can't change the shape of the solids? Because the molecules are very tightly packed. तो tightly packed होने की वजह से we can't change the shape of the solids. So solids have definite shape and volume. जो solids होते हैं उनका definite means fixed shape and they have fixed volume. In liquids, they have definite volume but they do not have definite shape. Liquids का volume fixed रहता है but shape जो है वो fixed नहीं होती. So this I will tell you by one activity. See, this is the tumbler filled with water and you can be able to see this mark. ये मैंने ऐसे black color का mark लगाया हुआ है. It means this is the mark जहाँ तक कि इसमें water है. Water is filled up to this mark. Now, and it is in the shape of this tumbler. कैसी shape ली हुई है liquid ने? Water ने इस tumbler की shape ली हुई है. Now, if I pour this water in this bowl, it takes the shape of the bowl. ऐसे ले ली इसने shape अपनी. Now if I again pour this water in this tumbler, see here, it again come to this mark. ना तो वाटर का लेवल ज्यादा हुआ है, ना वाटर का लेवल कम हुआ है. So this activity shows that liquids, they have definite volume, but they do not have definite shape. They take the shape of the container. जिस भी कंटेनर में डालेंगे उसकी जो है लिक्विड्स अपनी शेप जो है वो ले लेंगे. And in case of gases, they neither have definite shape nor definite volume. ना तो गैसेस की कोई शेप होती है और ना ही गैसेस की कोई डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम होती है. See this, one more activity. I am burning some agarbattis. Now see, fumes are coming and I am collecting these fumes in a glass. And see, some of the fumes, they get mixed up with the air which is present in this room, and very good fragrance is coming. Why good fragrance is coming? Because the particles of gases, they get mixed with the particles of the air which is present in this room. Now see, I am trying to collect some fumes in this glass, and when I remove this, कुछ नहीं नजर आ रहा. There are some fumes which are getting mixed with this air which is present in this room. So they do not have कोई shape नहीं ली gases ने. So gases, they do not have definite shape and definite volume because their molecules are free to move anywhere. Now we will discuss some more properties of matter. Some matter, they are shiny in appearance. Shining होती है उनमें. जैसे आप देखो, these are the metals. Metals जो होते हैं, they have shiny appearance. चमकते हैं metals. And some materials, they are dull in appearance. इसमें कोई shine नहीं आ रही. And this shiny appearance is called luster. This word you will study in 7th class. कि जो ये shiny appearance होती है, इसके लिए हम कौन सा word use करते हैं? Luster. In the same way, there is one more property. Some materials, they are smooth. कुछ smooth होते हैं, जैसे ऐसे आप touch करो. और if you touch the sandpaper, it's rough. Just now I am not having sandpaper, लेकिन आप देखो sandpaper जो होता है, जिससे हम जब white wash करते हैं तो पहले छुटाते हैं, तो sandpaper कैसा होता है? Rough होता है. And there are many other materials which have rough surface. Now the next property is transparency. There are some objects which are transparent, some are opaque, and some are translucent. How can we demonstrate these activities? See, this is the glass tumbler. And I have put this lighted diya in front of it, and when I see it like this, so I can be able to see the flame. अगर मैं इस ग्लास टम्बलर से यहाँ से फ्लेम को देख रही हूँ, तो I can be able to see this flame. Why? Because this glass tumbler is transparent and light can pass through the transparent objects. But if I put this book Now I am not able to see the flame because this book is an opaque object and light cannot pass through the opaque objects. So those objects through which light can pass, they are called transparent objects, and those objects through which light cannot pass, they are called opaque objects. And there is one, this is the butter paper. Here I am able to see only partial amount of light. बहुत क्लियर मुझे फ्लेम नहीं दिख रही है, लेकिन बहुत उसको धुंधली दिख रही है, तो इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज द बटर पेपर एंड दीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर कॉल्ड ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. So some objects, they are transparent, some are opaque and some are translucent. Now the next property is, see here, these are the tiny bits of paper in my hand. छोटे छोटे पेपर है ये, and when I put these paper in water, they float करेंगे. And if I put some coins in it, तो ये क्या हो जाएंगे? They sinks down. It means those objects which are lighter than water, they float, and which are heavier than water, they sink. So this is again one of the property. Floating and sinking is one of the property of all the matters. And there is one more property, diffusion, जो भी मैंने आपको बताया. See here the fumes of agarbatti, they are getting mixed with the particles of air. अब आप ये देखो कि these are, ये भी गैस है और here air is also a mixture of gases. So one gas gets diffused into the other gas. So this is called intermixing of one particle into another particle is called diffusion. So gas can diffuse into another gas. One gas can mix with the another gas. Now this is the, ये gas का diffusion हो गया. दूसरा, if, see here, this is water and ink. Both these are the liquids. Now let us see whether one liquid can diffuse into another liquid or not. So there are, see here, if I put some drop of it, it starts mixing very slowly. Mix हो रहा है, but it will take some time. It means when two liquids, देखो गैस से डिफ्यूजन इसलिए इतनी जल्दी हो रहा है because there are lot of spaces between the molecules. Here the two liquids, they are diffusing with each other, but it takes some time because there are some space between the molecules of liquid. So there are some liquids like आपका ये ink हो गया, milk हो गया, they can diffuse each other. These are the two liquids which can get mixed with each other. This is the diffusion of two liquids. Now see this here, water, and I'm taking this Disprin tablets. These are solids. So there are some solids also which get diffused into liquid. ये देखो, इसको मैं इसमें ऐसे डालूंगी तो क्या होगा? See, आपको छोटे छोटे बबल्स दिख रहे होंगे. That Disprin starts getting dissolved into liquid. So there are some solids which get mixed with the water. जैसे कॉफी है, शुगर है, तो solids, some solids also get mixed with the water. So these are the some activities. There is one more activity. These are the beads and some coins. So here is a mixture of two solids, two different types of solids. Beads है और क्या है, coins है. But when I am mixing them, beads remain as beads and coin remain as coin. They don't get mixed with each other. So the mixture of solids, they do not diffuse with each other. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके बीच में कोई स्पेस ही नहीं होती है. उनके मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में कोई स्पेस ही नहीं होती है. So the mixture of solids, they do not get diffused with each other. So all these are the properties of matter. Thank you.